This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Gather ingredients before you begin. Measure 2 cups all-purpose flour and 1/2 cup cocoa. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Use 1 cup unsalted butter softened and 3/4 cup granulated sugar. Crack 1 large egg and add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Stir to create a soft dough and chill for 30 minutes. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line 2 baking sheets with parchment paper. Cream 1 cup butter with 3/4 cup sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Gradually add the dry mix of flour, cocoa, and baking powder. Split the dough and form 2 logs of 3½ inches diameter to shape stripes easily. Wrap logs and chill in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to set. When firm, slice logs thinly to 1/4 inch thickness for consistent baking. Arrange slices on the prepared sheets, leaving 1 inch between cookies. Bake at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes until edges set and centers are just firm. Allow cookies to cool on the sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer to a rack. Prepare 1/2 cup chocolate filling or frosting and spread thinly on half the cookies. Sandwich with remaining cookies to create stripes and press gently to seal. Store finished cookies in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.